Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PHAS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on this one. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going into Tuesday. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support, nothing fancy, nothing complicated behind it at all, other than the fact that the bleeding finally stopped on the pullback right here at $5.50. So $5.50 will be that first key level to watch going into Tuesday. Now, in the event the price cannot hold above the $5.50 support, that's where you as a trader have to get a little bit more proactive. And what do I mean by that? Well, the next overarching level of support is going to be that purple line there, which is the 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving. So right now, yes, that value is at 402, but as Tuesday plays out, that line is going to move, so therefore that value is going to move and change too. So again, now this could all be irrelevant. If the price stays above 550, then you won't have to even pay attention to the purple line as of now. But like I said, in the event 550 does not hold up as support, then you will have to take an inventory check and see what the current value of the 50-period moving averages is that point in time. So as far, I'm not trying to be sketchy or shady. I just can't tell you what that's going to be because I don't know if the price is even going to break below 550, and if it does, at what point, I don't know. So if the price does break below there, then you just gotta, like I said, keep an eye on the current value there. Now, in the event, because let's give some credit where credit's due. Yeah, there was that nasty pullback, but after the pullback, the price essentially just went sideways all day. So if this is some sort of bottoming formation before the price starts to work its way back upwards, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. Initial area, if there's going to be any sort of worthwhile momentum that gets started, is essentially the top formation of this little channel that formed during the course of the day, and that's up there at $6.50. If the price can push up through $6.50, next key level after that would, that makes it easy, right up at 7. So $6.50 and 7 going to be the two near-term levels of resistance going into Tuesday. If the price can get up through 7, at that point it's essentially a little miniature blue sky breakout as a next level of support. Wasn't until up around the 850-ish mark. But one hurdle at a time, one bridge to cross at a time. So first, the price has to get above these areas before you start talking about going up above $8 and beyond. But all in all, very volatile day, good volume. We'll see if this can carry into the rest of the week or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.